Yonga tubitadde ku bbali mu myaka egy'ekyenda ebyemizannyo byali byamaanyi nnyo mu buvanjuba bw'eggwanga naddala ku masomero okuli Nabumali ne St. Peter's Tororo. Nabumali ly'essomero lyokka erimanyiddwa okuba n'ekidiba ekiwugibwamu kiyite swimming pool mu buvanjuba bw'eggwanga. Abasomerako mu masomero gano bakakasizza nti baakulwana okulaba nga baddamu okusitula ebyemizannyo mu buvanjuba bw'eggwanga.
May be lacking in a purely private institutions. These breed a very strong culture among the students, both academically and socially, that can build our nation. This is just the beginning. We hope that we are going to grow it into a much bigger league.
We believe that in sports, you can have a reunion that brings back the effectiveness of all the students among running of our schools.
As the Eastern Bloc, where the schools are not doing as well as we would like them to do, but we have a responsibility, and we working together can bring our schools back to where they need to go.
Felix Okuye nga ye president wa Uganda Baseball and Softball Association nga mukadde kano yakulira abasomerako ku ssomero lya St. Peter's College Tororo ayogedde bw'ati ku nteekateeka eno.
As old boys and old students associations, we want to take this to another level because we believe through these interactions it's helping us achieve fitness, good health, networking, socializing, and to keep people upbeat.
Abel Chitaka, Geoffrey Mugerwa ne Rita Kamya, Salt TV, Omunyo.